नमस्ते दोस्तों। 12th के बाद अगर हमें किसी भी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है, किसी भी कॉलेज का एडमिशन का मतलब क्या लेना है, आप चाहे बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग बीए की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं या बीए कॉलेज में जाना चाहते हैं, बीटेक करना चाहते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग करना चाहते हैं, फार्मेसी करना चाहते हैं, या कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, या एमबीए की मैं बात करूँ, बीसीए की बात करूँ, बीबीए की बात करूँ, या बीएमएस की बात करूँ, बीबीएम की बात करूँ, चाहे वो एमएड हो सकता है आपका, जो अलग अलग कोर्सेज ग्रेजुएशन के या ग्रेजुएशन के बाद जो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के कोर्सेस आते हैं, उन कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए महाराष्ट्र के स्टूडेंट्स को एक एग्जाम देनी पड़ती है। उस एग्जाम का नाम होता है सीईटी एग्जाम। अगर हम चाहते हैं इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के लिए एडमिशन लेना है तो इस एग्जाम का नाम होता है MHT CET, हम पीसीएम या पीसीबी के नाम से जानेंगे। अगर बीबीए की मैं बात कर देता हूँ तो उस एग्जाम का नाम होता है MHT, उसके साथ आता है बीबीए बीसीए। तो इन ऑर्डर टू दैट वन हमारे लिए सीईटी एग्जाम्स ये अलग अलग ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कॉलेज के लिए उतनी ही महत्वपूर्ण होती है, लेकिन उसके पहले सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंस होता है हमें सीईटी एग्जाम की तैयारी करने के लिए। सीईटी एग्जाम का सिलेबस पढ़ने से पहले इंपॉर्टेंस होता है हाउ टू फिल द सीईटी एग्जाम फॉर्म। तो ये वीडियो आपको बहुत ही सटीक भाषा में शॉर्ट सीईटी फॉर्म आपको किस तरह से भरना है, क्या डॉक्यूमेंट आपके साथ होने चाहिए, किस तरह से क्या क्या आपको मैं कहूँगा कि केयर लेनी चाहिए, ये वीडियो आपको सिंपल भाषा में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करेगा।
In order to register for Maharashtra State CET 2026, let's see what are the steps required. You can open any browser and enter CET Maharashtra 2026. Out of all the responses given by the search engine, you have to click on cetcell.mahacet.org. This is the official website of Maharashtra State CET Cell used for registering for CET. You can click on this link. It will open up the official website. On the right hand side, you will be able to see an option that states CET examination portal for academic year 2026-27. Click on that, and since you are a new user, you have to click on new user register button. Then enter the email ID, your personal email ID. Make sure you have this email ID throughout your CET and CAP registration process, because this will be the official email communication ID. You will receive all your official communication from CET Cell on this email ID. You have to enter your password. You have to enter your full name as per Aadhaar. A quick tip: while entering your full name as per Aadhaar, make sure you have your Aadhaar card handy with you. Then you have to enter your date of birth. It is in MMDDYY format. Enter it properly by selecting the proper dates, year and month. Once you click on register, you will receive an email on your submitted email ID. There will be an option to verify your email. In the received email, you have to click on verify email link and it will redirect you to DigiLocker. Proceed to DigiLocker. Now this DigiLocker is used to authenticate your APAR and Aadhaar details. This is a mandatory step for CET 2026 registration. You have to enter your Aadhaar number, click on next. Enter the OTP received on your Aadhaar registered mobile number. You have to enter your 6-digit security PIN for DigiLocker. Click on done. Now you have to provide access to both your APAR and Aadhaar ID. Okay. So you have to click on the checkbox against APAR ID and Aadhaar card and click on allow. If you miss one of the options, it will again redirect you to DigiLocker and ask you to click on both the options. So APAR ID and Aadhaar card both are mandatory. Once your Aadhaar and APAR details are authenticated, it will open up your profile page. You will have to enter all the details that are required on this page. You have to start with entering your APAR ID. Then enter your mobile number. Now this mobile number will be used to send official communication like text messages and WhatsApp messages from the CET cell department official handle. So make sure you enter your phone number, your mobile number properly. Enter other details like your father's name, then your name as per your HSC SSC mark sheet. While filling this detail, make sure you have your SSC or HSC mark sheet handy with you. Select your gender, select your religion, select your region, your mother tongue, select the range of your annual income, your family's annual income, select your marital status, enter your permanent address. In address, line 1 and 2 are mandatory. Make sure you distribute your address accordingly in these two lines. Then select your state, select the district, select taluka, then select your village, enter your PIN code. STD code is not mandatory, but you can still fill it. Enter your alternate mobile number if you have one, or you can enter your parents' mobile number also. Click on same as permanent address if your address for correspondence and permanent address are same, else you will have to enter your address for correspondence details similar to the one you have filled just now. Now you will have to fill some other details like are you domiciled in the state of Maharashtra, which means if you are a Maharashtra resident, you will have to click on yes. If no, you will have to click on no. Enter your minority details, enter your disability details if you are a person with disability. Select the appropriate type and subtype, your disability percentage, the nature of disability. Once you are done with those, you will have to enter your SSC details. Select the year in which you have completed your SSC, that is a 10 standard. Enter the marks you have scored in your 10 standard. Select the board from which you have completed your 10 standard. Then the state. Now coming to your HSC, that is 12 standard or engineering diploma details, you have to answer this question if you are appearing for your diploma or for HSC or your 12 standard right now. If you have already completed it, click on no. You will have to select the year in which you have completed your HSC, the board from which you have completed your HSC. Select the marks type. It can be CGPA or percentage. Both the options are available. You have to enter the total marks, then the marks you have obtained. System will automatically calculate your percentage since you have selected the percentage option. Okay. Then read the acknowledgement statement properly and then click on the checkbox and click on Save Changes. Now you have successfully updated your profile on CET Cell website. In order to register for any exam, you have to click on CET Registration tab. Click on the exam that you want to apply for. The system will send you an OTP on your registered mobile number. Once you enter the OTP, you are ready to register, fill the form for the selected examination. Thank you.
तो मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है आपने सीईटी एग्जाम के लिए एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म ऑनलाइन किस तरह से हम पोर्टल पर भर सकते हैं, कौन सा पोर्टल है, कहाँ पर केयर लेनी चाहिए, ये आपने समझ लिया होगा। तो दोस्तों सीईटी की एग्जाम्स होगी, आपको सीईटी के एग्जाम्स में अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे। अच्छे मार्क्स मिलने के बाद नेक्स्ट प्रोसीजर होती है कैप एडमिशन की, जिसे हम कहते हैं सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसीजर। चाहे वो इंजीनियरिंग हो, चाहे वो फार्मेसी हो, चाहे वो बीबीए हो, तो डेफिनेटली उस एडमिशन प्रोसेस को अच्छी तरह से समझने के लिए तो इस चैनल को आप जरूर फॉलो करें, और थ्रू दिस चैनल, थ्रू दिस कॉलेज और थ्रू दिस platform, not a college, through this platform you will avoid the blunder mistake of being के application forms. Thank you very much.